Hi, Dani Walker here. Thanks for checking out the page about the Tapestri affiliate program. Click the link below to be able to download all the nitty-gritty details about the affiliate program and also have access to my contact information so I can help answer any questions that you might have. But first and foremost, if you're an affiliate marketer or looking for a side hustle or a way to earn extra money, and somebody came to you and said, I have a free product that pays the user to do nothing, they actually earn more income every month and don't have to change anything, no requirements whatsoever. And it'll pay you residually every single month to tell people about it. What would you do? I'd want to know more. And that's what happened about 3 months ago when a friend of mine, Walter Harrison, said he was finally creating the app we've been talking about for 3 years, Tapestri. So do your due diligence, get your questions answered, but don't let this opportunity pass you up. Timing literally is everything right now. If you're watching this video before the app launches, you got a big head start. If you're watching it after the app launches, don't let it slow you down. We're here to make sure that you have the biggest and best success that you can. And we have literally taken away all the hurdles to be able to earn. When your customers can refer people and also increase their earnings every month, that increases your bottom line as well as an affiliate. So tap the link below, get all the info if you still have questions. Otherwise, tap the link above and become an affiliate, and let's get going.